Hello friends, today we discuss about landed cost in inventory module. So the landed cost are additional cost. It can be a custom duties, handling fees, shipment charges or insurance fees, etc. And this additional cost can be add on the purchase price or product cost and get the total product cost. So these additional charges or landed cost can be adding in the product only when the costing method is FIFO or average costing, and the inventory valuation must be automated. So let's see how landed cost will be added on the product. So first we have to go to the configuration settings and enable the landed cost. So from here you can enable your landed cost, and under the operation tab you can see your landed cost. So for the landed cost, first we have to go to the product categories, and from here you can create product categories. So here I create one product category, name is demo, and parent category set as all. Here you can add your force removal strategy, and in under the inventory valuation, the costing method, you can set FIFO or average cost. So let first set average cost, and the inventory valuation must be set as automated for landed cost. So save. Let's create one product. Product name set as average one. It is storable product, and product category set as we created all demo. Let's save. Let's create another product, average 2, and also set product category as demo. Let's save, and let's also create one service product. It is a service product, so product type will be service, and in the purchase tab you have to enable, it is a landed cost, so you have to enable this. And from here you can set the default split method is equal by quantity, or so I set as equal. Let's save. Let's create one purchase order. Set unit price at 60 and 70. So let's save and confirm order. Let's create a bill. Here you can see your bill is paid. So from from receipt you have to copy this number, and let's go to the inventory module. Let's create landed cost. So you can set a date when you create your landed cost, then apply on transfer or manufacture order. You can also add landed cost on manufacture order. So first I set a transfer, then paste our transfer ID. Then from here you can set the journal and the company, and you can also add vendor bill from here. So I add my vendor bill that we created on purchase order. Then you can add additional cost, so that we created service. So we add our additional cost and we set as 10 rupees. Let's compute, and under the valuation adjustment, let's save and validate. After compute, you can see under the under the transfer we paste our transfer name, and then let's compute. And under the valuation adjustment, you can see our two product and the new value set as 65 and 75, and additional landed cost set as 55, because we set our split method as equal. From here you can also change your split method by quantity or by cost. So let's save and validate. From here, product average, you can see your cost will be changed as 60 to 65, because 5 rupees added cost. So let's create another landed cost for the method FIFO. So let's go to the product category, create another category, set as FIFO, and parent category as all. And in here inventory valuation, we set our costing method as FIFO and the inventory valuation automated. So let's save, create two products. Let's create product FIFO 1 and set product category as FIFO. Let's save. Let's create another product. Let's save. Let's create one purchase order for these two products. So here we add our two product, and from here we can change unit price as 20 and it is as 30. So let's save. Here you can see our purchase order is paid. So let's go back to the our purchase quotation and then receipt, and from here you can copy your number, copy, and then let's go to the inventory module. Let's create landed cost for the method FIFO. Let's create, here is our date for transfer, and here we paste our purchase order number, and here we add our product service and add cost is 20. ₹4. So let's compute. Let's save, and in valuation adjustment you can see ₹2, 2 rupees set as additional landed cost because we set split method as equal. So 2 and 2, ₹4 split as equal. So the new value of FIFO 1 is 22 and FIFO 2 is 32. Let's validate, and in product FIFO 1 you can see no cost is changed. The 22 rupees cannot be done here because the method is FIFO that we set our, here you can see our costing method we set as first in first out, so that's why the cost is not changed. So let's save. So this is all about landed cost.